viewers, welcome back to my channel Gourmet's Delight, and this is Faiza. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make Jeera rice and Dal Tadka. It's a very simple recipe but yet very delicious. Let's get started. I have soaked around 750 grams of basmati rice. Let it soak for half an hour. In a pot, I have added around 2.5 liter of water. I want the water to bubble. As the water is boiling, I'm going to add 2 star anise, 4 to 5 cloves, 4 to 5 cardamom, and 3 to 4 bay leaves. By the time the water starts boiling, let's prepare our Dal Tadka. For it, we need 1/4 cup of red lentils, that is masoor, 1/4 cup of split pigeon peas, tur, and half cup of yellow lentil, that is the moong. Now let's wash this well. So this is washed. Now into this I'll be adding 1 large onion roughly chopped, 2 tomatoes roughly chopped, 1 whole garlic, and 2 to 3 green chillies, 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Into this I'm going to add half liter water. And I'm going to pressure cook this for up to 2 whistles. By the time our dal is getting pressure cooked, let's check our water. The water has started bubbling. Now let's add the rice. Salt as required, and now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Now we will wait for the rice to cook up to 90%, 90 to 95%, and then we are going to strain. Let's check our rice. Yeah, the rice is almost done. Now let's strain the rice. After straining, we have to remove all the whole spice from this. Yeah, that's it. Only the bay leaves I removed. The remaining spice, let it be in this itself. Now into the same pot, I'm going to add around half cup of oil. Let's wait for the oil to heat. And now I'm going to add 2.5 tablespoons of cumin seeds. The ratio is for 1 cup of rice, that is 250 grams of rice, we are going to add 1 tablespoon cumin. We are going to wait for the cumin to splutter, and it has to turn a little bit brown in color. It shouldn't overburn. Now I'm going to add 4 slit green chillies into this and fry for a minute, for a few seconds, might be 30 seconds. The cumins have started to splutter. Now I'm going to add the rice. I'm going to quickly mix this because the cumin will turn dark in color. Now the remaining rice I'm going to add. 1 cup finely chopped cilantro, So let's mix this well. It is on very low heat. I'm going to keep this on low heat only for 2 minutes, and I'm going to turn off the flame. Now I'm going to turn off the flame. So our Jeera rice is ready. Now let's do the plating for it. But before that, let's check So our dal is also ready. Now let's mash this. We're going to lightly mash this. You can also use a spoon to mash it. So this is done. If you have noticed, I haven't added salt. I'll be adding the salt now. Salt as required. 1 tablespoon vinegar. If you want, you can also use tamarind pulp instead of vinegar. Half cup finely chopped cilantro. Now let's mix this well. And I'm going to cook this until it bubbles. If required, you can add water as per whatever thickness you prefer. I have kept it on high flame. Now I'm going to add around 1 cup water. Now I want this to bubble. Once it starts bubbling, you just turn off the flame. So our dal has started to bubble. Now I'm going to turn off the flame. Now let's make the tempering for the dal. That is the tadka. I've kept my pan. And now I'm going to add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of clarified butter. So this is getting heated. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Now we'll wait for this to splutter. I have kept it on high flame. This has started to splutter. Now I'm going to add 1 small onion thinly sliced and 2 cloves of garlic crushed. Let's fry this. We have to wait for the onion to get caramelized. This has started to caramelize. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida. So I'm going to add 3 to 4 red chillies. I'm going to fry this for 10 seconds and I'm going to turn off the flame. Now I'm going to turn off the flame. This is done. Now let's do the plating. So this is my Jeera rice and this is my dal, and I'm going to add the tadka on the dal. And the remaining tadka I'll be adding it into the leftover dal. So this is my Jeera rice and dal tadka. If you like my recipe, please do subscribe to my channel if you have not already done it, and do hit the notification bell to keep yourself updated with my new videos. And I do hope that you would definitely love to share the recipe with your friends and family, and do continue to give me your support.